Hi, this is Mrs. Nelson. We're looking at Illustrative Math for 5th grade. Not 5th grade, 7th grade. This is Unit 5, Lesson 14, Solving Problems with Rational Numbers. The objective states, I can solve problems using the 4 operations with rational numbers. We're looking at Activity 14.3, Buying and Selling Power. A utility company charges 12 cents per kilowatt hour for energy a customer uses. They give a credit of 2.5 cents for every kilowatt hour of electricity a customer with a solar panel generates that they don't use themselves. A customer has a charge of $82.04 and a credit of negative $4.10 on this month's bill. Question 1. What is the amount due this month? Well, they have to pay the charge, but they don't have to pay the credit. So we can actually combine those two together to figure out what it is that they do have to pay. So we're going to write $82.04 and subtract $4.10, or add that negative $4.10, but we'll get the same result. I'm going to go ahead and use a calculator because I'm a 7th grader, but I'm going to go ahead and get an idea in my mind what the value should be before I use that calculator, so I can check for human error as I type into the calculator. So I know $82 minus $4 would be $78, so my answer should be about $78. So $82.04 minus $4.10 leaves $77.94. And that's about the $78 that I was thinking it would be. So they still have to pay $77.94. Question 2, how many kilowatt hours did they use? So we're going to look to their charge right here. That represents 12 cents for every kilowatt hour that they consumed. So we're going to take 12 cents and divide it into that $82.04 to figure out how many kilowatt hours they must have used. So we have $82.04 that we're going to divide by 12 cents. Again, just because I'm using a calculator doesn't mean I should turn my brain off, so I'm going to get an estimate in my head of what the value should be before I type it in the calculator. So I'm going to create an equivalent expression. So if I'm dividing by 12 cents, I know I want to make that into a whole number, so I'm going to make that 12 cents 100 times bigger and create 12 as a whole number. If I do that to my divisor, I have to do the same thing to my dividend as well, so I'm going to make $82.04 100 times bigger as well. So now I have the equivalent expression of 8,204 divided by 12. Thinking back to my math facts, I know that 12 times 7 is 84. So there should be about 700 hours that were consumed by this family on for their electric bill this month, their energy bill. So now that I have that estimate, I'm going to use my calculator to get the more precise answer. $82.04 divided by 12 cents is 683 2/3 kilowatt hours. So I'm going to go ahead and round that up to about 684 kilowatt hours that they used that month. Question number 3 says, how many kilowatt hours did they generate that they didn't use themselves? Well, that's connected to our credit of $4.10. If you remember back in the prompt, it says they got 2.5 cents for every kilowatt hour of electricity that they generated that they didn't use in their home. So I again want to get an estimate in my mind. So 2.5 cents is about 3 cents, and there's 33 groups of 3 cents and $1. So $4 would be about 4 groups of 30 or 120 kilowatt hours of energy that they generated that they received credit for because they didn't consume it and they sent it back to the grid. So again, we're going to divide $4.10 by 2.5 cents to see what that mysterious number of hours was that we would have sent energy usage back to the company. So I'll go ahead and type that on my calculator. I've got $4.10 divided by 2.5 cents, and I get 164, which is close to my estimate, so I feel good that I didn't type in any extra zeros or forget any decimal points or anything like that that would affect what I'd get as my outcome on my calculator. Our objective said I can solve problems using the 4 operations with rational numbers. You can see that we used addition and subtraction here, and we also used division here, which was the inverse operation of multiplication. So we worked with all 4 operations. Thanks for watching.